Did you know that agility ladder drills can rewire your brain for better body awareness and boost your confidence in just minutes a day? Watch how this simple tool transforms hesitation into precision. Step onto the ladder, where every calculated movement strengthens the connection between mind and muscle. As you weave through the rungs, your brain creates new neural pathways, enhancing proprioception, your body's ability to know exactly where it is in space. Studies show that regular ladder drills improve reaction time by up to 20% and significantly reduce the risk of falls and injuries. The key is starting small. Master 2 squares before attempting 4, then 6. Each successful pattern reinforces your brain's movement memory and builds unshakable confidence. Track your progress by counting successful repetitions without errors, gradually increasing speed while maintaining form. Set achievable weekly goals, like adding 1 new pattern or reducing completion time by 5 seconds. Ready to boost your brain-body connection? Drop a comment with your favorite agility drill.